Just as any year at Lian Li's booth at Computex, this year, 2026, we're having a bunch of new stuff, including new cases, fans, AIOs, of course, power supplies, and of course, a desk integration. We're going to check that out all today at Lian Li's booth. So let's go. Starting with cases, one of the first things that stands out is the evolution of their showcase style design. The O11 Evo RGB V2 continues the classic panoramic concept, but now with more flexibility in motherboard positioning, improved airflow separation, and integrated lighting that runs through the chassis itself. It's still very much a showcase chassis, but more refined and more adaptable than before. Right next to it, you see a different approach with the UX100, which pushes the panoramic glass concept further with a more continuous curved design. It feels like it's designed purely around visual presentation but still keeps airflow and component compatibility in mind, especially for high-end GPUs and modern platform support. Then things shift again with larger airflow-focused designs like Lancool 207 XL and Lancool 4, where the focus is clearly on performance cooling first. These cases lean heavily into high airflow front intake designs, large pre-installed fans, and the layouts that prioritize GPU thermals while still keeping the internal build clean and accessible. What separates the Lancool 207 XL from literally everything, two crossflow fans inside the power supply shroud compartment, which are also possible to move up or down. At the higher end of the scale, the V2000 takes a completely different direction, more of a workstation-inspired full tower with support for dual power supplies, large motherboard formats and storage expansions, and even a built-in monitoring features. It feels less like a standard gaming case and more like something built for extreme hardware setups or professional workloads. And then there are the more compact designs like the B4M80X, developed together with DEN cases. This is clearly aimed at a small form factor community, but still manages to support powerful GPUs, modern cooling, and flexible layout configurations depending on how the system is built. In that sense, you can see right here that one of these fans is an intake and one is an exhaust, creating let's say, airflow for air cooling if you decide to go like that. Cooling is just as central this year. The Galahad 360 shows Lian Li continuing to refine the mainstream AIO lineup with improved tubing design, integrated control hubs, and a cleaner overall installation experience. It's clearly designed to reduce cable complexity while keeping the strong thermal performance. On the more advanced side, the HydroShift 2 OLED curved 360 stands out with its curved OLED display and motorized pump head, but you already saw that, and if you didn't, you can check the review since it's already live. Then we have the SLC 360, which takes a slightly different approach again, focusing on a large display interface and modular LCD elements that can be swapped or adjusted depending on the build theme. The fan ecosystem ties everything together, so the Unifan TL LCD Flex, SL Infinity LCD Flex, and TL Flex continue Lian Li's push towards modular, interconnected fan systems with integrated displays, wireless control, and simplified cabling. Across the lineup, the focus is clearly on airflow efficiency combined with visual customization, whether through LCD screens, infinity mirror lighting, or reverse airflow options for cleaner aesthetics. Power delivery is represented through updated Edge and SX series power supplies, including models like Edge Platinum V2 and Edge Gold V2, alongside the compact SX Gold series. The focus here is on cleaner cable management, higher efficiency ratings, and tighter integrations with the rest of the system through the hubs and monitoring support. The thing with this hub is that you can actually monitor literally everything regarding the cabling and the thermals through the L-Connect software. And then there's the more unconventional side of the boot, which is the KB disk system, which integrates a full PC build directly into the standing desk setup on the left side at the back. It turns the entire workstation into a part of the hardware itself, blending furniture, LCD screen, which is an additional accessory that you can acquire, and the PC components in a single structure, giving you a possibility to adjust the height. Nice approach with PC integration, ports, and table adjustment. What makes Lian Li's boot interesting this year isn't a single product in general, it's how everything connects. So from cases like the O11 Evo RGB V2 and Lancool series, to cooling systems like Galahad 3 and HydroShift 2 OLED curved, to the unified ecosystem, power supplies, and even desk integration. Everything feels like it's being designed with the same philosophy in mind, not just building a PC, but building the entire environment around it. So this was Lian Li's booth at Computex 2026. Thanks for watching. See you next time.